Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Okay. Today, so many fellows are doing a what match only. That's why very lately connected. Uh, Not a problem. Just observe it here. Concentrate here. Yesterday, anybody installing a Oracle software? Yes, very good. So many fellows are installing a Oracle software, but unfortunately, that extension I am not telling why because some other thing is there today. It is important really, but some fellows are not adding. Not a problem. Just slowly observe it here. Slowly, I will tell you. Screen observe it. Suppose I am also installing a what Oracle software. Screen observe it. Screen observe it. First initial stage very important. I am installing a Oracle software. SQL plus tool is there, but I am installing. Anybody observing a what yesterday? Enterprise edition or Express edition? Very good. Enterprise edition. In this enterprise edition, extra user is available. What is that extra user? Scott is an extra user. That user I am typing, for example, my interest purpose. Now password is installation time, whatever password I am giving only, that password I am giving only. But unfortunately, it won't work. Why? Because that's why yesterday I am not telling only 19C onwards. 19C. Let's test this one. 19C onwards, Scott user is not available. Scott user unavailable. Okay, na? Yeah, unavailable. Why they are removing that one means already those tables are available in the net only. From the net we are copying means enough. Olden days means they are giving a what? Scott is a user only, but nowadays they are not giving any user, extra user. That's why here you are trying to type what 19C onwards. Why we are installing means like this only. And now here these type of new concepts you are learning. I am pressing enter key. It will give us a what error. Anybody trying yesterday installing a what Oracle software and Scott user in a 19C? Nobody trying? Okay, not a problem. Now observe it here. Suppose now here I try to connect to where system user or sys user possible. System user, okay, na? Sys user possible only. But some fellows are asking, Murali sir, I want a same like a Scott user. Scott user I want, for example. Possible, possible, but explicitly you have to create it. You are interested in create it. How can we create a what that a user explicitly means just I am typing a what here, observe it here, correct sys as sysdba, admin user, password sys, then create user, username identified by password, grant DBA to username, I will tell you, okay, na? Yeah. First, this one, just observe it only, you are a first time newcomer, you are also interested to try means, then you are understandable. Now check it out. Yes, here observe it here. Open SQL plus tool. Okay, either I'm entering a what Scott user, then 19C onwards, it is not working. System user, it is working or not? This user working only. Take a snap this one. Anybody newcomers are there? Take a snap. Okay, and now observe it here. Suppose if you want to Scott user means here DBA users are there, admin users are there. Next you are learning. Don't worry. Through that one, we are creating our own user possible. Connect as DBA. This is you don't have an idea. Also, just observe it here. And now here you are interested to create a what? Your own user means create user These commands you don't have an idea also. First, you are noted down one of the got identified by password. In a password ABC also nadabala. And now here after that one grant here DBA is a role is there. What is that one means big concept to username. Okay, yeah. This is the way you are typing means then you are also creating a what Scott user or any user, but just idea purpose only. Same like a olden days, whatever Scott user is there, you want means you have to create it. Otherwise, not required. Okay, yeah. Now here, yeah, observe it here. If you want Scott user, then I'm creating a what user. Now here, observe it here. Connect sys as sysdba. Okay, now password is enter password. It will be displayed here sys like this. Okay, now, yeah. Here, take a snap. This one also. Okay, now observe it here, concentrate here. Why Scott user I'm creating means already predefined tables are there. I told no EMP, DEPT, that purpose. But unfortunately, you are try to select a what that predefined table EMP, DEPT like this, it won't work. Why? Because user also not there means where those tables are available. Okay, yeah, table is not existing. But these all tables I want me simple technique is there. Go to Google, in a Google only, demo bld.sql file is there. 1 minute, observe here. Demo bld.sql is a file is there. In this file only all these predefined tables are available. Those tables simply copy it and then paste it in your SQL prompt enough. Now here really that is correct. Suppose that's why nowadays Scott user is not required. Your own user you are creating anything also not available. Any user side also copy paste it. Observe here. Really this is correct or not? Check it out. Now I'm opening a what Google. Here, now check it out here, demo bld.sql. Observe here. Demo bld.sql file is there. In this file only, here, in a site, I am taking a Oracle Apps DNA site only. Here, I am opening a what? This site, observe here, in a site, your own wish. Here, observe here, Oracle database seeded tables are available or not? Yes, here. Now, check it out here. Now, concentrate here. Now here create table onwards. Create table is there. You want these tables means just copy it. Copy those tables up to commit. Okay, copy those tables and then paste it at SQL prompt. Now check it out here like this. And now here once we are pasting means yes, the tables are available or not. Those tables are available here. Select star from DEPT, same like a olden days Scott user. Nowadays these tables are available or not. That's why not only in a Scott user, any user side also you have to copy paste. You are interested, but why I'm creating a what a Scott user means so many fellows are olden days concepts, they have an idea. That's why though okay whenever in a net only Scott user available then confusing only. That's why I am creating especially, otherwise not required really. Okay, yeah, these are predefined tables are available or not? Yes, here like this. Now this is also in a newcomer means take a snap here, connect. So 1 minute only can Scott and Tiger, this is EMP table, it is not working. Now here you want this one means in Google we have to type demo bld.sql for predefined Scott tables. For this one I am using a what Oracle apps DNA. Okay, this is a what site only, otherwise you are using any site also not a problem. Now copy those tables and then paste it in SQL prompt. Take a snap this one. Complete. And now observe it here. Suppose yesterday I told no, in a installation time some password you are giving no A, B, C or Tiger or anything. Suppose whenever after installation you are connect to the server, you are forgetting what that password, for example. You are interested outside. You are interested to change that password. Possible. How can means in a where Oracle super user is there, admin user, that is sys user, password is also sys. First we have to connect to super user and change it what that password also connect. Observe it here. Sys, for example, enter username is CONN is not required. Sys as sysdba. Observe it here. This is a super user. Now here just password is sys predefined. Now you are interested to change a what password means alter. This a command is there. Alter username Scott user password you want to change means alter username identified by new password. Suppose ABC you are writing possible. And now here yes connect to where that okay, so now Scott user and also ABC possible your own wish. That's why you are interested to change outside in a password, either system password, otherwise Scott user password or HR user password possible. But sys user password we cannot change. Okay, na? Simple. Now how can I? If you are interested to change means just connect to admin user sysdba password is what sys. Okay, na? Yeah. Here alter username identified by new password, your own wish. Any password is there, then only. And now here yes here we are connected where that password into daily in a where server. Simple. And about real time side not possible. Okay, so there are giving a restrictions, but outside possible. Observe it here. Now here 1 minute only, right? Okay, note, observe it here 1 minute. In Oracle, we can also change passwords for users. In this case, first we must connect to super user. In Oracle, super user is sys user. This sys user password also sys. For changing password, how can I means? First admin user, you have to connect it. Then syntax alter username identified by new password. This syntax is username and password. Anybody interested? Take a snap this one. Okay, this one also take a snap. Okay, now this example, observe it here. Suppose you want to interested to change a what a Scott user password means connect here sys as sys dba here enter password sys. Now okay, sorry, here connect to where Scott user connect Scott user. Okay, now here show user means like this. Then you have to write it this one. Take a snap this one. Example. Anybody interested to change that one? This will also take a snap. Okay, na? Up to this one is enough today because of match. So many fellows are not attending. Tomorrow I will tell you. Don't worry. One day not a problem. Tomorrow we'll continue. Those okay settings are there. SQL plus tool settings and also practically SQL language we are starting only. Tomorrow continue. Thank you.